Hey, welcome back to Redesign, and if you're new, welcome, and please hit the subscribe button before we get started. So if you want to know how I got this gray smoky eye look, keep on watching. Okay, so before we get started on that eyeshadow look, smoky eye look, I'm going to insert my foundation time lapse because I already did my foundation for another video, but it didn't turn out right. So here is the foundation part. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do a gray smoky eye look. I've never done a gray smoky eye look. So I am going to start with this Wet n Wild palette, and I'm going to be using this tan one, and then I'm going to be using a different couple palettes. I don't know which ones I'm going to use, but I'll insert pictures and tell you as I'm going along. So I am going to take my Crease Duo eye brush by Real Techniques, just dip it in this tan one. It's almost like cream tan. I want to start off with a base color. So do it again. Okay. So now I'm going to use this palette by Wet n Wild, and I am going to use oh, it opens this way. So I'm going to use this, what color was I going to use? I looked at it. This shimmery one right here. It's kind of a tan color, you can see. Okay, now I could do brown, but I'm going to try gray. So now I'm going to take this, actually I'm going to take my Crease Duo brush with the angle, my blending one, and I'm just going to blend those out, those colors, neutral colors together. Then I'm going to use this Wet n Wild palette with the grays in it. I actually have two of them, but I'm going to take my crease brush again, and I'm going to use this gray one right here. I'm going to tap it because there's a lot of excess one color on it, and I don't want it to be too bright, too bold. Just going like this. If you have to add more, add more. See how great that is? I like it. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. Then I'm going to take my crease one. And go like that. Here, I will show you what it looks like. See how light gray that is? It's really pretty. So now I'm going to use a little bit of, sorry, I was looking in the mirror, of this black one with my crease brush, my blending one. I know that you're not supposed to, but I use it a lot. So I want to make it darker. So I'm just adding, see how much darker that is on my eye? It's almost like black now. It's very pretty, I think. So I'm gonna take this again. Just doing a good job. Gonna pat it in and do it again. I got it in my eyebrow somehow. I'm just blending it out. I have to use a different brush to go over it. I'll show you. See how much darker gray that is with the black? And I'll insert all of the products I used in this video. So I'm just taking my little crease brush, eye brush. This one is not for blending, but I'm gonna try to fix this eye up. Because I got it all the way in my eyebrow. If you can see that. And I'm not gonna add any more to it because I think that it will just smear and yeah. So now I'm gonna take my angle blending crease brush by Real Techniques and I am just going to take a tissue, it's not wet, and I'm just gonna go like this, get it all out. See how much black is coming out? Instead of cleaning it up. Then I'm gonna go like this again and just try to smooth it all out. So, I don't know if I like it or not. I kind of do, kind of don't. But it's pretty. So now I am going to take, this one is also by Wet n Wild. It's like a gray, darker gray, and it's kind of shimmery, but I'm gonna take this one and where is my, here it is. I'm using, oh, I will not use that brush, I have to wash it out. My crease brush, and I'm just, not the blending one, but I'm just using this last one, going like this, and I'm just gonna put it all on there. This time I didn't tap it because I want it to have more color on it. Now I'm tapping it, but it looks way better, I think. So now I'm going to, I don't know if I want to put a little bit concealer or not to make it pop more, but I am going to take, this is from, it's an eyeshadow I got from a family member, but it has these gray tones in it. And I'm going to be using this lighter gray, maybe even a white, but not from this palette. It's kind of sparkly. I did a tutorial with it, so this is my blending brush, but I'm gonna blend it out with this. Okay, that looks way better. Doing the same thing on this eye. This is turning out really pretty. I like it. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that, but it looks really pretty. So now I'm going to go in with my MAC palette and use White Frost to see how it turns out. Oh. This one, White Frost. I'm just gonna take my brush, swirl it around. See how white that is? I'm just gonna, yeah, that looks way better. I don't know if you can see that. Tap it a little. It actually gives it a more bluer, grayish look, but I really like it. So now I'm going to take my Real Technique blending brush again. I'm just gonna go over like this and so now I am going to go back in with this darker color. I think this is called Color Masters. I'm not sure, but I'm just going to go back in with a darker color. See how gray that is? Almost black. And I'm going to get that excess off because I don't want too much. So I'm just going back in and doing it like so. Okay. So now I am going to put my mascara on, and I'll show you how to do that in the next slide. So I'm back, and I'm going to use this Maybelline Flawless Mascara. Just take it out. I think it's black. I'm not sure. I did a comparison on mascaras a while back, like 3 mascaras. If you want to hop on over there, check it out. I'm learning how to put eyeliner on, and I started a video, but it didn't turn out very good. So if you want to let me know if you guys do eyeliner and how you do it, like the tricks that you have, please let me know. So I put it on the top and the bottom. I'm running out of this mascara and I really like it. So there is one side done. So I'm gonna finish up the mascara and I'm gonna be back with the end result. So I'm back with the end result of the gray smoky eye. This is how it turned out. I really like it. If you enjoyed this video and you like this eye look, please give this video a thumbs up. And thanks for watching. Please also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, comments, put them down below. Thanks for watching.